In this video, I'll show you simple settings to boost FPS and reduce lag in GTA 5 on old PC or laptop. No dedicated GPU needed. Check my video description for this FPS fix. Right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and to GTA 5 directory, copy all these files and then right click on the game folder and select open file location. Paste the files inside of a game directory, replace the file in the destination. Now once you've done this, just close tab here and go back. Open preset, open Potato PC and open up new tab and go to documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5, right click on the settings.xml and select edit in notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you can able to see if a GPU name, copy this name and then close. Go back to Potato PC XML file settings. Right click and say edit in notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. In rename, paste the GPU name we copied in select file and select save option. This varies depends on the GPU you use. Now try and drop the original settings.xml to desktop to take backup and copy this Potato PC settings.xml and paste it in here. And once you've done this, go back to FPS fix. We have done two step. Open mem redact. Open ever system bit 64. Mem redact inside clean memory inside yes. Do it like 2 to 3 times. So ever memory will be released. So done this, just go back. We have done 3 steps. Open this power control setup. Select yes, okay, agree and select next, install. Once this installation done, in this drop down, click on this to high performance and set all parking to enabled and set percentage to 100%. Then select apply. Okay, we have done. And open this quick CPU setup, install. This installation done, system power plan, set this to high performance and set all to 100% and here and select apply. Okay, and everything's done. Just close tab here, open up the game and I'll show you guys the results. And now the resolution is set to 800 into 600. You need to change it to EVA monitor resolution. Go to settings, go to graphics and change the resolution to EVA monitors resolution. And once done, just select the apply changes. Select the yes option. Settings will be saved to show you guys the FPS results. I'm changing the FPS as well. And once you've done this, and this is the final look, I'll show you guys before and after comparison. And that's it. Now I can able to enjoy the game on my integrated graphics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.